welcome back to Travel Storyteller, and we are in our new Kia Clavis EV. This is the fourth day. Before this we have done like two small trips, like went to temple, and yesterday we had our friends gathering. So and now today we are going to Ramakrishna Mission, which is around again 16-18 kilometers from our home, and we'll hear from Tamannash that how the ownership feels like.
Hello guys, so after taking the delivery of the car, so we did the puja, and after that yesterday we did a small night trip in the traffic, and today also it's a city drive, and we are going to Ramakrishna Mission in Swami Vivekananda Road, in Old Madras Road. Today also it's going to be a city drive. I'll just cover some of the things that I've noticed in the car. First thing is, since it's a new car, there is a little bit getting used to the size. Some things that I have noticed is, it is quite smooth in the city. So it doesn't give like jerks when you drive, because anyway the torque is quite a lot, right? But in the lower speeds it is quite smooth. It's like convenient for the city. In the instrument cluster I get information around how much kilometers is left. So right now it's showing as 267 kilometers that I can go. After I bought the car, there were two apps that they asked me to install. One of them is Kia Connect. So in that also some information is there, like how much charge is there, and then there are some connected car features which I'm still yet to explore completely. But more or less we are just enjoying the experience of this new car.
When we were planning to buy the car, और जब तमन्नाश मुझसे कंसल्ट कर रहा था कि which car we should buy next, and then he showed me Mahindra 9XE and then Tata Harrier, and then we considered this Clavis EV, and both of them, those were also EV. And then एक चीज़ मुझे यहाँ पे अच्छा लगा कि यहाँ पे AC vent, if you can see, then multiple AC vents are there, and हमारे में थोड़ा AC का मतलब he likes the AC on in the car and I do not like or do not prefer, as मुझे थोड़ा ठंडी लग जाती है. तो यहाँ पे ये चीज़ एक comfort zone है कि if you want you can get the AC, and if you do not want you can shut it off. तो दूसरा आदमी he or she or they can enjoy the AC. So ये एक फीचर बहुत अच्छा है, मुझे किया में लगा. और दूसरा है कि 9XE जो कार है वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा था. XCV9 महिंद्रा XCV9 वो जो कार है वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा था. वो दिखने में बहुत सुंदर है, लेकिन और उसका लुक भी एकदम डिफरेंट है मार्केट में, बट उसका जो बूट स्पेस है वो बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा है. जनरली डे टू डे लाइफ में हमको वो वी डू नॉट नीड इट, whereas इसमें दिस कार इज 7 सीटर. और जब हमारे फैमिली मेम्बर्स आते हैं, आवर sisters and their families, they come over here, तो then we need it कि सब कोई मिलके एक साथ जा सके. we can have our family trips together. तो इस मामले में किया क्लाविस ज़्यादा रीजनेबल और लॉजिकल लगा, क्योंकि both the cars are very long, the length is very long, बट उसमें तो बूट स्पेस है जो डे टू डे लाइफ में इतना यूज़ नहीं होता है, वेयर इज this has 7 seats available. He's also very excited being the proud owner of Kia Clavis EV. So he also wants to share his experience. Yes.
I really like the sunroof.
other thing that I've noticed is I can see the bumper, right, left, right. So it gives a good feeling of, you know, where the nose of the car is. I mean, overall, you know, the dimensions is a little bit, then, you know, being able to see the hood is a good thing. The other thing is, like a tachometer, there is another, after speedometer, there is another meter in here which shows me the power and a zoom car, which shows me, you know, whether it is right now. See, since I'm deaccelerating, it is charging, right? It's charge and power. So when I'm deaccelerating, it's actually charging the battery back, and when I am doing this, then, you know, it's taking the charge from the battery. So these are also some things that I am seeing.